Howdy teachers, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at sketchpad.app. One of the best things about this is because it's a web-based tool, you can use it on a Chromebook. Sketchpad.app. It is a web-based paint drawing kind of program with lots of very powerful and cool features and tools built into it. So let's jump in and take a look at it. All right, so when we go to sketchpad.app, we get this little pop-up thing popping up here right away, but I noticed if you just click anywhere behind it on the background, it disappears, and it drops us on our little canvas here to do our artwork. So right off the bat here, we can see we have a fill tool, the paint bucket, which we can change the color of our background, and we not only have colors, but patterns and lots of different options for that. We have a pencil tool right here, which has lots of different options from different brushes and pens and paint brushes, arrows, which you can click and drag and change the size of those. We have a calligraphy pen even, and we got a spray paint can. We've got a stamp. We've got this thing here called fur, which when we draw our line and turn it, it adds some fur to the line for you. We've got web, which the same, when we turn our drawing line around, it adds some webbing to it. Very cool little tools. And a spirograph. Oh yeah. We've got Sketchy. Let's see what Sketchy does. Another one of those kind of line tools that's adding a little bit to it to make it look better. We've got lines. We've got streamer. We got lots of different ways to put images on here. We also have a shape tool, so we can choose a star and of course several other shapes here which we can take and add to our drawing. The radial burst is pretty cool. Let's try to change the color on this one. Boom, there we go. So we've added a radial burst there. Lots of tools. We even have clip art, and there are lots of clip art options available here to add clip art elements to your drawing. All kinds of cool things that we could put on here, and I haven't run into any of them that it wouldn't let me use, where it tried to tell me I was going to have to buy that one to use it. So if we want a Jeep Grand Cherokee police car, we can throw that on. All right, lots of cool tools and options available here. By the way, if you do accidentally hit refresh, let's do that real quick. When I did this earlier and tested it, it all came back. It brought my drawing back. So let's see. There we go. So we can save our drawing with the disk button down here in the corner, which says export. We're going to be able to download that as an image. And there you go. You can see it just downloaded it right there into my downloads folder. So sketchpad.app, great little tool. What are some cool, amazing ways that you can get your kids using this web-based tool in the classroom?